Trust Wallet versus Binance, which is better? When choosing between Trust Wallet and Binance, it's crucial to understand their core features and who they're made for. Trust Wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial wallet designed for individuals who prioritize full control over their private keys. It supports over 4.5 million digital assets and tokens across 65 blockchains, making it perfect for crypto enthusiasts who value security and flexibility. With its intuitive interface, staking options, and integration with decentralized apps, dApps, it's ideal for those engaging with DeFi, NFTs, and crypto trading without relying on a centralized platform. Binance, on the other hand, is a centralized exchange with its built-in custodial wallet. It offers an all-in-one ecosystem for trading, staking, and earning crypto. With over 350 cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and features like futures, margin trading, and liquidity farming, Binance is tailored for traders and investors seeking an active and feature-rich experience. Additionally, Binance Wallet simplifies instant trades, conversions, and withdrawals, but your funds are stored on the exchange, meaning security is dependent on Binance's infrastructure. The choice boils down to control versus convenience. Trust Wallet offers unmatched privacy and decentralization since you retain full control of your funds, but it requires more responsibility to secure your private keys and seed phrases. If lost, your assets are unrecoverable. It's best suited for users focused on long-term holding, decentralized trading, or interacting with dApps. Binance shines with its ease of use, lower barriers to entry, and robust ecosystem for trading and earning crypto. Its custodial nature means Binance handles security, which can be reassuring for beginners but poses risks in case of a breach. Binance also edges ahead in liquidity, speed of transactions, and the range of financial services available, making it the go-to platform for active traders and institutional-level users. In summary, Trust Wallet is ideal if you value autonomy, privacy, and decentralization. Binance is the better choice for those who prioritize convenience, trading features, and a centralized, all-in-one ecosystem. Consider your crypto goals. If security and control matter most, go for Trust Wallet. If active trading and ease of use are your priorities, Binance is your best bet.